Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some easy and inexpensive stamps. I picked up these foam sheets from the dollar store, so I'm going to go ahead and apply these to my strong grip mat and let my Cricut cut out my designs. Now I already have my fine point blade loaded into my Cricut, so I'm all ready to cut the foam. My Cricut just finished cutting out my foam sheets, so I'm ready to assemble my stamps. I'll be using these wooden blocks I picked up from the dollar store. So I had my Cricut cut 6 1.5 inch circles, and then these hearts are 1 inch. Looks like my glue gun's all warmed up. So I'm going to start by taking one of the circles and placing it onto my block here. Some hot glue. Now I'm just going to go ahead and layer the circles. I'm going to add the third one now. So I'll go ahead and do my heart shape stamp first. So I'm going to apply the hearts right onto the circles. And this will also be 3 layers. So I'm going to go ahead and test out the stamps with this ink I picked up from Walmart. Go ahead and do my heart one first since that one's had more time to cool.